Hey, hi everyone. Good morning. Welcome back. So guys, as part of the today's session, I'm going to talk about a for each loop. Ideally, the for each loop will be working on an arrays. If there are multiple values are there, this for each loop will be working on all the elements present in an array. So the significance here is you no need to define, initialize the variable, you no need to do the increment and all those things. Directly the for each loop will take care about all those things. So here let the names of strings and I'm accepting my suggestion here. Okay, and I'm accepting my suggestion. And here for see here let name of a names. The meaning is from the names whatever the value is there, multiple values are there. Pick individual values and store it in a single name and simply console.log. So how many times it will iterate, how many values are there in that particular array, it will be iterating on all the values present in that particular array for each and every element present in that array. This for each loop will work. Okay, let me add a comment here. For each loop will work for each and every element in the array. We no need to define increment or decrement for that. Automatically it will take care of it. Okay, automatically it will take care of it. Perfectly all right. I have defined this information. Let me try to run this particular program. See, the values got printed down. So there is another way how exactly you can use it. All the data is there as part of the names, right? So here names dot for each every value I'm considering it as a name. From the names, get each and every value, consider it as a name, and just print it using a console.log. Either I can use the for each in this particular way or in this particular way. Either the ways I can use my for each loop. Now let me try to run this program. See here, all the values are got printed down. So ideally, you can use this for each loop on an arrays where it is having a collection of multiple values, and in this particular way you can represent it. Okay, perfectly all right. See you again in the next session. Thank you.